And get you the latest from Assam, and the big escalation as far as the Himanta Biswa Sarma versus Gaurav Gogoi war is concerned. The Assam Chief Minister should give proof is, what is being asked by Gaurav Gogoi. And this is Himanta's big charge against Gaurav Gogoi. Gaurav Gogoi visited Rawalpindi is the charge that is being made by the Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, raking up an issue as far as Gaurav Gogoi and his links, those alleged links with Pakistan and its army that Himanta Biswa Sarma has made time and again. So it is Gaurav Gogoi of the Congress party asking for proof from the Chief Minister of Assam. Listen in.
तो बिश्वा शर्मा के 2.5 घंटे के संवाद वेल में उन्होंने एक भी ऐसा प्रमाण नहीं दे पाए जो ये साबित कर सकता है कि मैं किसी दूसरे देश का एजेंट हूं, कि उन्होंने खुद उस रिपोर्ट को पढ़ा और देखा कि उनके द्वारा गठित एसआईटी ने इतने महीनों के बाद भी कोई एक प्रमाण लाने में, कोई एक सबूत लाने में सफल नहीं हुए.
Ritik, my colleague, joining us. Well, there have been allegations that have been made time and again, and of course, questioning his 10-day visit to Pakistan back in 2013, also questioning the role of his British wife is the Chief Minister of Assam. Take us through the details.
Well, what we do understand that since yesterday's 2-hour-long Sunday press conference held by Assam Chief Minister, which has jolted Assam politics. Now the politics is boiling, is simmering, and it's only escalating the war of words between the two parties. We have, the Congress MP, Gaurav Gogoi today. He also replied each of the allegation made by Assam Chief Minister. But in that particular press conference, Gaurav Gogoi went on record and claimed that Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Assam Chief Minister, has failed to prove his own allegation, labels against Gaurav Gogoi. He did not deny that he visited Pakistan once during that period of time. And he claimed that he is married to a woman who is a British national, but she has a connection to Pakistan because she was working in an international project in which Pakistan is also a part of, and he accompanied his wife in that period of time and briefly stayed over there. He also accepted that he did visit that Lahore and Islamabad after he was went also Karachi. So there are counter reactions coming from Gaurav Gogoi. But what you do understand that this matter, how it has brought into the light by a chief minister, publishing a full SIT report which took a long time, it is going to impact upcoming Assam elections. Though Chief Minister himself, while speaking to NDTV, denied any direct political link into this matter. He is more concerned with regard to the national security, which is why he has referred the entire matter to the Union Home Ministry, and they want a central agency-led probe against Gaurav Gogoi's family for his alleged involvement and links to Pakistan. But what we do understand, the politics is boiling over there, and Gaurav Gogoi denied all of the allegation, referred this entire press conference as a stage show or a flop show made by Assam Chief Minister. Back to you.
Ritik, allegations talking about citing the salary transactions, saying that the MP's wife was being managed by Pakistan are some of the allegations and the case that is being made against Gaurav Gogoi. But of course, now asking for the Home Ministry to take over that probe.
Well, definitely, it's a very significant term because the Assam government, or the particular SIT which had been formed by the chief minister, in order to dig out all facts which related to this matter, is working under its preview, and they feel that they have some limitation. They can't beyond a certain limit, as it also involves international borders and other countries. So they want a thorough inquiry into this matter, and they suggest during yesterday's press conference, Hemant Biswa Sarma made it clear that they want NIA or CBI-led probe into this matter, because they also want, remember that the SIT did not inquire the questions Gaurav Gogoi himself with regard to this matter, but they have accessed several documents which need to be answered, and the Assam government, or in that particular SIT report, they have mentioned couple of names, and particularly a person who hails from Pakistan, and his alleged role into this entire matter. And they are claiming that this particular person who was associated to Gaurav Gogoi's wife is a person who is considered as anti-Indian, and he is mostly associated to Pakistani defense mechanism and army as well. So they also raises several questions why the Gaurav Gogoi keep raising several questions, which is a matter of concern for the Indians' own defense mechanism. Why he raised several questions on the floor of Parliament, which is very classified and very sensitive as per the state's national security is concerned. They also raises this question, and the Hemant Biswa Sarma wants a thorough probe into this matter, because they feel that Gaurav Gogoi raising such questions was only beneficiary to Pakistan, which is a enemy country, and that's a very
absolutely. Daggers are drawn, of course, Ritik, between the Chief Minister and the Assam Congress chief. We're talking about Gaurav Gogoi versus Hemanta Biswa Sarma. Now, of course, that attack has been escalated, with Hemanta Biswa Sarma has now alleged that those Pakistan army links as far as the Gogoi family is concerned. The Chief Minister took to social media site to ask how did Gogoi travel to Rawalpindi, the center of the Pakistani army's headquarters, when his visa was only for Karachi and for Islamabad. Hemanta Biswa Sarma's fresh attack comes after Gaurav Gogoi's presser, where he said that the Chief Minister's allegations were baseless. Gogoi has also questioned why the SIT report on his alleged Pakistan links, in regard to that for the last 5 months, questioning on that as well. Let's listen in first to the Chief Minister.
उस समय उनका जो पाकिस्तानी बॉस थे अली तोकीर शेख 13 टाइम्स भारत आए, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा गया। FCRA का थ्रो से पाकिस्तान से भारत में रुपया आया गौरव गोगोई का पत्नी का सैलरी के लिए। गौरव गोगोई को 10 दिन वो पाकिस्तान जाते हैं, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंटीरियर उनको लेके जाते हैं, लेकिन भारत का IB उनको कोई क्वेश्चन भी नहीं करते हैं। ये टाइम फ्रेम कब था? जो मोदी जी देश का प्रधानमंत्री नहीं थे। मेरा लगता है कि ये कोई दिल्ली में किसी का सपोर्ट बिना ये संभव नहीं है। तो एक बार फॉरेंसिक जांच होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक जांच होगा, इसलिए असम गवर्नमेंट इतना तक नहीं जा सकते। मेरा लगता है कि बहुत कुछ निकाल के आएगा।
सर, असम में चुनाव सर पर है, इसका प्रभाव असम के राजनीति में क्या होगा? क्योंकि गोगोई का कहना है कि ये फ्लॉप शो है। आज ने आप
देखिए, चुनाव में बीजेपी सरकार बनाएगा, लेकिन मैं ये मसला को चुनाव का दायरा में नहीं देखना चाहता हूँ। मैं तो ये बोलना चाहता हूँ गौरव गोगोई को, भाई प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके बोल दो कि CM जुद है।